Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear students of class 6. This is Muhammad Enamul Kabir Sakib. Welcome to my online class. Dear students, have you took part in my previous class? Okay, you can watch my previous class as well as all my classes in my YouTube channel named Enam Sakib. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. So dear students, today I will discuss Health is Wealth Part 2, Class 6, Lesson 9. At first, talk about the problems and give advice. Try to give more than one piece of advice for each problem. A cough, a backache, a fever, a toothache, a headache, a burn, and the flu. Here is an example for you. The problem is a cough. What should you do for a cough? You should gargle with warm water. It's a good idea to take some vitamin C. Yes, and if it is continuous for long, you should see a doctor. Well, I think it's good to avoid cold drink or ice cream. Sometimes it helps to increase cough. Right. Thank you all present here. So dear students, please talk about the problems and give advice. Now this time please pause the video and try yourself. Okay, here is a video for you. Please watch the video attentively.
What should you do for a fever?
You should put on light clothes. You should put an ice pack on your forehead. This will cool your body down temporarily and reduce the fever faster. Apply a damp cloth to legs, feet, and neck. This will help reduce the temperature of the body.
Take a lukewarm shower, then you will feel better.
Thank you all present here.
Thank you very much. Now make a short conversation. Okay, now make a short conversation about each problem and its remedy in the box below. Problem and remedy. An insect bite, antiseptic, a stomachache, an antacid, a burn, burnal ointment, a skin injury, antiseptic. Here is also an example for you. Have you ever had an insect bite? Oh yes, I had one just last night actually. What did you do? I put some antiseptic on it. Dear students, here is also a video for you. Please watch the video and check your answer.
Have you ever had a stomachache?
Oh, yes. I had it several times.
What did you do?
I took antacid.
Have you ever had a burn?
Oh yes, I had a burn 2 months ago.
What did you do?
I put some burnal ointment on it. Have you ever had a skin injury? Oh yes, I had a skin injury 2 weeks ago. What did you do? I put some antiseptic on it.
Thank you very much. It's now time to learn vocabulary. The first one is active. What would be the meaning of active? The meaning is efficient or fit. Please tell the Bangla meaning of active. The Bangla meaning is kormokhom. Please make a sentence with the word active. Maimun took an active part in the study tour. Thank you. The next one is, please pronounce this word, cheerful. Yes, a cheerful girl. What would be the meaning of cheerful? The meaning is happy and optimistic. What would be the Bangla meaning of cheerful? The Bangla meaning is profullo. Please make a sentence with this word cheerful. She is cheerful in spite of his illness. The next one, hygiene, very important in this situation. What would be the meaning of hygiene? The meaning is practice conducive to maintaining health. Please tell the Bangla meaning of hygiene. The Bangla meaning is Shastobidhi. Please make a sentence with the word hygiene. Personal hygiene is very important, especially in this COVID-19 situation. Be careful. So, the last one is environment. Very easy. What would be the meaning of environment? The meaning is the surroundings in which a person, animal, or plant lives. Please tell the Bangla meaning of environment. The Bangla meaning is poribesh. Please make a sentence with the word environment. We must try to protect the environment, isn't it? Okay, dear students, it's now time to read the passage. Now please open your exercise book and read the text. Okay, I am trying to read the text. Okay. A proverb says, health is wealth. To keep healthy is to keep free from disease and anxiety. Good health is proper functioning of all body organs. It is also feeling well both in body and in mind. People in good health are active, cheerful, and happy. If you are healthy, you can be happy and can help others in the society as well. To keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. The rules and practices of keeping good health are called hygiene. We must practice the rules of hygiene. Proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness, and proper medicine are essential for good health. Some important rules of good personal health are as follows. A. Balanced diet. Our food should contain correct proportion of carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, and water in it. Number B. Personal hygiene. We should follow the personal health practices such as wash your hands before eating, bath regularly and wear clean clothes. Brush your teeth twice regularly. Do not let your nails grow long. Cut them regularly. Wash your feet and hands before going to bed. Number C. Cleaning household. We should keep our household and environment clean. D. Taking clean food and water. Our food should be fresh, clean, and properly cooked, and water should be pure. Number E. Taking regular exercise. We should take part in games and sports and take physical exercise regularly. Number F. Taking regular sleep and rest. We should sleep properly and take proper rest. Okay, dear students, now please open your exercise book and bring your pen, because it's now time to answer the questions. Please answer the following questions. Number 1. What do you mean by hygiene? Number 2. What are essential for good health? Number 3, what do you mean by balanced diet? Number 4, what are the rules of personal hygiene? So dear students, please try to answer the following questions. Okay, let's check the answer. Number 1, what do you mean by hygiene? The answer is, by hygiene, we mean the rules and practices of keeping good health. Number 2, what are essential for good health? The answer is, proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness and proper medicare are essential for good health. Number 3, what do you mean by balanced diet? The answer is, balanced diet means that food which contains correct proportion of carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, and water. And the last question, what are the rules of personal hygiene? The answer is, there are some rules of personal hygiene. These are as follows. Wash your hands before eating, bath regularly and wear clean clothes. Brush your teeth regularly. Brush hair, clean eyes, ears, and nails. So dear students, here is a homework for you. Write about what you usually do or would like to do to keep yourself fit. Write about what you usually do or would like to do to keep yourself fit. Okay, dear students. Alhamdulillah, we have completed lesson 9. Thank you very much for taking part in this class. So dear students, health is wealth. So take care your health. Bye bye.